Hi guys, Jake here at DmaxStore. Today we're going to be talking about the tuning on this 2018 GMC Canyon. We went ahead and teamed up with the guys over at Duramax Tuner because they do a great job with EFI Live software and they know how to write tunes for these GMC Canyon trucks. I'd say they're one of the leaders in this platform for sure. So we went with the EFI Live with the DSP4 switch. So we have 4 switchable tunes that we can choose from. We've got optimized stock, we've got a towing tune, we have our street and economy tune, and then we've got our sport tune, which is going to be our highest horsepower, which you net over 52 horsepower and a bunch more torque. So I mean, that's a huge and noticeable difference that you get just from tuning. Now we went ahead and paired this with an S&B intake and a couple other modifications to really take advantage of this, and eventually we will be doing their DT44 turbo as well, but we want to show you guys this in stages, like, hey, what's just my stock truck with some tuning going to be like? Let me tell you, it's a huge noticeable difference, especially with these bigger wheels and tires on there. If you're running 265s or anything a little bit heavier than factory, you're going to want some tuning because this truck is a little bit of a dog from the factory. But after the tuning, I mean, it gets up and goes pretty good. The turbo sounds really cool after you throw an intake on it. Overall, I'm super happy with the EFI Live from Duramax Tuner. You can hear this switch right here, super satisfying. You got the DSP4 switch, so you can switch from level 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 4 switchable tunes, a really awesome product, and pretty easy to install. You just have to have the EFI Live software to go and install this with the VIN license and all that stuff. So if you've got a Colorado and you're looking to upgrade that thing, go ahead and contact us at DmaxStore.com, and we'd be happy to help you out and get you the right parts for your build.